Priyanka, you here? Okay. So now I refresh this. I submit. Please fill out this field. I'll say something at the rate something.com because it's an email. But coming to here, okay, I'll say yes. It says true. If you can see, it said true. Now I'll say 1 and I'll submit. It says false. See, now I say 1a and submit. It says true. Now you see, it still says true. Even I say 1a, I'll say 1a1 and submit. It says true till still true because there is a 2 here. If you can see, that means it's true. Okay, so now we have to avoid that. How can we avoid that? We have a symbol called caret symbol. I'll write here again in the comments. Okay, caret symbol will say to the test method that, okay, that it should start with this set A to Z. Now let's see. I have to refresh again because it's JavaScript. So refresh. This is a nuisance for me. .com, and here I'll say 1a. Okay, I'll submit. Now it says false. Previously it was true. Now I'll say a1. It says true, right? It started with the alphabet, right? It served the purpose, but I did not say the end character. So now I have to tell this that, hey, you know, there's an end character too. The end character should be alphabet. It should not be a number. So for that, I'll say dollar. So dollar sign, dollar symbol will say to the test that it should end with the set A to Z. Alright? You following? Tawfiq? So I have to refresh again. Let me just copy this. So paste it here. And here now, you see, I'll say 1A, submit, false. A1, submit, false again. If you can see here, 2. Okay? And I'll say 1, false again. It says 3 times false. Okay? Now I'll say AA, triple A. It's still false. Oh, why is false? Okay. Oh, let me see what's wrong with this. Oh, okay. That's only for one character. That's what it says. It's only for one character because we said, see, for instance, I'll give, see, because I did not say how many characters it should be. I'll say D. It's true again. But when I say DC, it says false. Okay, I did not say the number of characters in there. So the number of characters should be given after. Okay, like this. Okay, I say the minimum is 3 times the occurrence, and the maximum can be anything. So I just leave it there. Now let's see. I'll refresh. Okay, I'll paste this, and here A, I submit. Oh, what happened to you? Okay. Happen invalid quantifier. Oh, I'm sorry. So there is three comma this should work. Oh yeah, I said 3 characters. Now it's true. Now I give any number of characters, it still says true. If I give only 2 characters, it says false. Okay, since I said 3 characters or more. Okay, so I'll write it here. Don't worry, you get all the notes on this. Again, one more example here is, okay, start with A to Z, but I want 3 characters or more. So when I say 3, I'll say N here. So this means an N with this and case sensitive. So what does this mean is, this means like start. Oh, let me give start with A to Z, N with A to Z, but should be at least 3 times or more occur, but should be occur at least 3 times or more. Okay, so that means that, and if I say 3 to, let's say 5, only 5 characters now. Okay, only 5 characters. So I'll say A false, B false, C false. Oh, C true because it's more than 3 or greater than 3, and E is true again. Now I say F, it says false. Okay, so there is a maximum limit on that too. So the maximum limit is given on the other side, on this side, 3, 5. Okay. So now this is absolutely fair because 3, 5, the name will always be having alphabet, and the name's minimum 3 characters maybe. I can restrict that too. So now here, how can I check that? If name underscore status. Okay, so if not of name underscore status, then return, what should I return? If name is false, I have to return false. Yeah, sorry, return false. Okay, or I can say return true. If everything goes well, then return true. This is how I check for the name. Alright, so let's see. I'll refresh this, paste this, and I'll say A, and I'll submit. Oh, what did I do? If, oh, sorry, this should be not. Oops, I'm sorry. So I'll return. So I'll say A, I'll submit, it will be here itself. So here what I do is like I'll alert invalid name and then return false. Now let's see. I'll refresh this, paste this. What happened? Oh, there should be a semicolon. Again, I'll refresh, paste this. I say A and submit. It says invalid name. Okay. I'll say AB and submit. It says again invalid name. I'll say AC and I submit. It got submitted. Okay. So whenever these things are validated, only the form gets submitted. So that is it. So what I do here is, you do validations for phone numbers, okay, and validations for email, okay.